I'm Matt, Managing Director of MJ Custom Engineering, based in Palmerston North. We specialise in a range of engineering and civil projects, from your small subdivision works to your dairy and in the agricultural scene. We have a couple of these former generation machines from the E's, the F's, and we've just got into one of these new next gens. The whole idea, we've gone down this road, we've got a 303.5, which is a slightly bigger machine for our service work. This is just sort of the smaller finishing touches and the ability to chuck it on a car trailer and tow behind a vehicle. This particular machine, for what we do, our nature of work, it was probably only doing 15 to 20 hours a week on average, but obviously depending on where you're at with your job, some weeks we'll work a full week, full 40-hour week. Very, very versatile. Just brilliant, good breakout power. We've set up the duality tilt coupler on it, which just perfected the finishing side of the machine and works really well. The Bluetooth, just these days everything's done from your cell phone, and it's just simple, just very easy, just dial on your screen and everything from music to your calls, a lot can come through. Just the standard integration which comes with them, from all your tool functions to your adaptive speed control and joystick control. The ability to control your joystick speed versus motion of the machine, independently control the motion of the stick and bucket independently, so just to tune it to as operator sort of expects it, sort of match. So yeah, the stick's here function gives you the ability to set up and track using your joystick, conventional joystick motion, opposed to having to drive directionally on your main lever control. For a lot of tracking, a common task we do is when ploughing, for pulling in cable, we'll actually sit in stick mode and actually directionally drive it, opposed to the old conventional holding two levers and letting it rock around. It's a really good feature. Yeah, made to fit, very good on fuel. The ability to on the fly adjust speeds and just the control of attachments, yeah, far superior to the former machines. Yeah. Because we've got an engineering business, we've built a lot of job-specific attachments to just complement the machine, really. Flush hitch bucket to root rakes, to soil rakes, to ploughs. We've got a range of tools just to complement it. But we chose to go for a cab, multiple reasons, just user-friendly, but at the same time, middle of winter, why sit outside in the weather when you can have a cab for not a lot more. For the limited work we've done so far, just a nice environment, dust-free environment. As you realise, any machine with AC, it's a blessing from an open cab, so the AC just complements it really at the end of the day. Yeah, it's just basically keeping the boys happy. They're not the cheapest machine on the market, but personally I think by far the best. Yeah, we just chose CAT for their professional service, sales and backup. Can't beat them really. Yeah, I definitely recommend the CAT machine myself, yes.